ask students to log in, and at the end you can track down the performance with the log when he was logged in, how much time he spent on that lesson, how he has answered. You can go for theoretical questions also, MCQ questions also. You can add puzzles, and you can even share this videos also. So it's a very good opportunity, but initially a bit steep learning curve is required. It's not that easy. Just go and do it. So this was my first attempt with Google Class, first year class, and it was shared with email. Actually, I was trying to do something like this for your batch, and so I was expecting email IDs of all the individuals. So I could have shared with Google Link, but instead I shared it in an open source. The output is same. So this is something very important and very natural, problem-based learning that you may have come across these words. These are very, very unique words in medical education and trending words in medical education. Problem-based learning, case-based learning, inquiry-based learning. I'm not going for these words, but last fourth word I will like to stop. Okay, what is dramatics? Have you used dramatics in classroom? Can we use? संभाषण विधि ही है हाँ संभाषण विधि तो what we can perform, but what else we will teach them with that? They will definitely understand ki who is telling what, and it's a dramatic presentation and fine. Other than that, can we use dramatics in class? It's a good opportunity. I have used it. So Rasa Shambhasha for first year, then uh, yes. Okay, fine. Next. Okay. So can we have a demo right now? Who would like to volunteer? See, this is a surprise. This is a surprise demo. Who would like to volunteer? Yes? Yes, ma'am. Please. So can I have a chair, please? आप जो कौन आ रहा है? I want just one volunteer. नहीं. One of both of you can come. चलो. Okay, fine. The only thing is you can understand each other, language each other. That's it. Say this is all Dramatica. They haven't informed anything. And first, I will request you forget that you are doctors, and all of you are first year students. First year BMS students, first month. Just take an admission, very enthusiastic, and learn a few bit what is Vata, Pitta, Kapha and all. And now we are somewhere in the next verse. I will not let you know the verse. I want you to find out which verse we are talking about. Okay. I will explain them a situation and they will perform here something. Okay. Non-Ayurvedic. Don't use Ayurvedic terminology. और जैसे नॉर्मल से आदमी बिहेव करता है पेशेंट और डॉक्टर की तरह. So you are suffering from vomiting. Okay, and you will ask some questions related to it. कल क्या खाया था? इसको आप यहाँ बैठो, आप डॉक्टर हो ना? So she is doctor and she is patient, and we have a conversation. Okay, fine. One more thing. आपको इसमें ट्रीटमेंट देना है इनको? देना है. बताना है ट्रीटमेंट, और आदमी पूछना है कि आप एक हफ्ते बाद वापस आओ. आप एक हफ्ते बाद वापस आओ. हाँ, एक हफ्ते बाद आके आपको फिर बताना है कि ठीक हो. और ट्रीटमेंट ऐसे बोल के देना. स्टार्ट. एक्चुअली इनको मैंने थोड़ा बिकॉज दे आर हाईली क्वालिफाइड. लेकिन स्टूडेंट को कुछ भी ब्रीफ नहीं किया था, दोनों लोगों को बुला लिया सामने एंड आस्क्ड देम टू परफॉर्म, ओके, विदाउट नोइंग एनीथिंग. एंड व्हाट वाज द आउटकम आई विल शेयर. लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस. लाउड अ बिट, लाउड बिट.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया आपको, क्या प्रॉब्लम?
डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को वॉमिटिंग की प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ जी.
कल रात को क्या खाया, कब से वॉमिटिंग हो रही है?
कल मुझे हल्का सा जैसे नोज़िया होता है ऐसे हो रहा था, बट आज सुबह से मुझे मतलब 2-3 वॉमिटिंग आई हैं.
कल रात को क्या खाया था?
कल रात को घर का ही खाना खाया था, थोड़ा सा मतलब मसाला उसमें ज़्यादा था.
पेट में भी दर्द है?
हाँ, हल्का सा पेट में भी दर्द है.
और उसके साथ और कोई दिक्कत है?
नहीं, और कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
मैं आपको दवाई लिख के देता हूँ।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
एक हफ्ते के बाद आके मेरे को फिर से बताना।
ठीक है. नहीं, दोबारा आना है ना. नमस्ते डॉक्टर साहब.
कैसे हैं अभी आप?
अभी ठीक है.
ठीक है एकदम?
हाँ जी. बस 2-3 दिन आपकी दवाई ली और मुझे आराम हो गया था. हाँ जी.
अभी भूख ठीक से लग?
हाँ, अभी भूख ठीक से लग रहा है. नहीं, अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं. नहीं.
So be here for a while. First of all, I would like to thank both of them for volunteering. Okay, so you are all first year students. क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? What was happening here? A doctor-patient interaction. So have you visited doctor? Yes. Okay, you are first year student. I am trying to teach you. So उन्होंने क्या पूछा? कल क्या खाया था? So what she was taking? History. For what? For complaint, some kind of complaint. With what understanding? Ki this may be the causative factor. So whatever is the causative factor that doctor asks you is hetu for the vyadhi. Okay. Then comes क्या क्या हो रहा था पूछा. उल्टी हो रही थी बोला, उसके साथ क्या क्या हो रहा है वो भी पूछा. So these are all लक्षणस. कब से हो रहा है, पहले क्या हुआ था, थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा था क्या? These are all पूर्वरूपस. Then she went back and came again and next time पूछा कि कम हुआ ज़्यादा हुआ. After the treatment what happens is उपशय अनुपशय. Okay. And why she has given this treatment? तो उन्होंने सोचा कि ये खाया होगा, ये हुआ होगा, तो ये दोष बढ़ा है, तो उसके लिए ये देना होगा. So this all thinking process goes as samprapti. Fine. So now is it clear which are the 5 things we should find out in patient? Hetu, Purvarup, Rup, Upashya, Anupashya and Samprapti. Fine. Thank you. Yes. So when I asked 2 students to find out, the verse before is Darshana Sparshana Prashna Parikshetartharoginam. So before that I have added a few things. Ki, the case was not Chardi, the case was Sandishul. Okay. So by obvious, the student who became the doctor, she checked कि okay क्या हो रहा है. First year student, she checked कि क्या हो रहा है. She touched and asked the question. So first of all, she saw, she touched and she asked darshan, sparshan and prashna. So that goes into the deep memory of the student. There is no need to recite the things कि darshan, sparshan, prashna करना है. And there is, this is rogi pariksha. So they jumble in rogi and rog pariksha. Na? So this is directly goes कि this is rogi pariksha done with the patient. Darshan, sparshan, prashna. And what is roga pariksha? It is done with 5 elements. So all of us know this. So it's not difficult for us. But try to remember when we learn it first time. I think I was mugging. The verse was with me, but I was mugging. Oh, this is for Dosh. This is for Rogi. This is for Rog. Okay. So this will not be the case. So in any sort of situation, we can generate the ideas and take them to classroom. Communication, patient doctor communication. First year, third year, second year student, we can teach, we can directly ask someone to enact in a Jwar condition like a simulated patient and ask someone else to ask the question. ले लो, पूरा केस ले लो. Most of the times I became the patient. पूछ लो क्या पूछना है. And give them the hint and try to find out. नहीं मिल रहा है, ढूंढो अभी चरक में. कौन सा लक्षण है, किसकी किस दोष का है. So which type it is. So it seems, is it easy? Is it difficult? Easy. Are we doing it? Can we do this? Yes. Do try it. Do try it. एक तो कर लो. I'm very happy nobody said इतना time कहाँ है, कहाँ करेंगे. Say if we have wish, we have time. How much time it took? How much preparation it took? 5 minutes. Just a thoughtful act. इस तरह क्या क्या सिखा सकते हैं? Make a list. Make a list. Ask them, पूछो. Just go. पूछो क्या करते हो सुबह से, लिखो, डायरी लिखो. चलो लिख लो क्या क्या करते हो. ओके, दिनचर्या लिखो. ट्राई करो कोरिलेट. This will happen. This will give double benefit. There is no need to convey that what is expected and what you are doing. कितने बजे उठते हो? 8 बजे. अच्छा, वेरी गुड. कब उठना चाहिए? 6 बजे. सो नो नीड टू से कि हमें 6 बजे उठा करो. ही विल अंडरस्टैंड. अरे नहीं, यहाँ 6 बजे लिखा है तो वरना एक प्रहर पहले उठना है सूर्योदय से. आज दिन व्यायाम करते हो? व्यायाम पढ़ाने से पहले दूसरे दिन सुबह ग्राउंड पे मिलेंगे बच्चे. इट्स So this is how we can incorporate many things like case-based learning. Case-based, patient का ही case नहीं है. Case is not just patient. Case is anything. For marketing, case is anything. Anything that happened can be a case. Situation. Put a case, put a situation. We are doing this with postgraduate. डाल दो. Problem-based learning. एक दिन आया, बोला, okay. उनको ये नहीं बोला कि आपको स्टडी करना है. मैंने बोला कि ओके, आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन एनसीडी एंड आयुर्वेद. ओके, हेल्प मी. दे आर वेरी इजी, हैप्पी कि वी हैव टू हेल्प सर फॉर हिज प्रेजेंटेशन. एंड दे प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग इन 1 week. अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रिपोर्ट. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई आस्क्ड, डिवाइडेड द चैप्टर्स एंड आस्क्ड देम टू प्रेजेंट इन द क्लासरूम. डिपार्टमेंट. As a departmental activity, NCD and Ayurveda. So beginning was, what is NCD? Okay, find out what is NCD. I don't know. So it's a non-communicable diseases. So they started with the meaning of, and then they gradually progress how it acts, benefits, non-benefits, where we can work, where we can't work, and all. So it's a very good way. Flip classroom, yes, we are going for flip classroom demo with questionnaire, puzzle and all. Okay, before that I again want you to log in somewhere. Okay, just spare a minute for me. सुनिए सुनिए अभी मेरा पूरा सुन लीजिए. You can log in even with your Google account if you have. Otherwise, you can directly go there. You can post. Just click on right plus sign on right bottom of your screen. If you click there, a box will appear. You can text or write anything. Second, you can add. There is an option of photographs. Just click, take a snap, and add it. Okay. Otherwise, you can add a video link also. Okay. So I want you all to add your memories within this CME program. The name itself suggests CME, and the background is taken from the flowers which are available on airport. Okay. Yesterday I have seen these flowers on airport. So the flowers are like Japanese strawberry farm, which is not strawberry, but here it is available on airport. So it's a background. Just keep on. Just keep, type something, say something, something about the seminar, something about the lectures. You can add at least one photograph. हाँ लॉग इन करो ना अपने खुद के आईडी से, जीमेल आईडी से. लॉग इन विथ योर जीमेल आईडी. And this wall will be your memories. So why I'm asking you to do this for memories. Second thing, this is something we can do with our students. I'll show you. Sushil Kumar, you are here. 23, 24. Yes, block, remove. इनका काम नहीं कर रहा है ना? हाँ वो मोबाइल में ही प्रॉब्लम है. इट्स वाजंट वर्किंग. आपका हो गया? You play with my mobile. चलो. Everyone ready? Only 24? Any more? 26? Anyone want to join? तुम्ही पिन चुकीचा टाकला का? परत टाका. You are in. Okay. Ready? So, this is a tricky quiz. The question will appear. The question will appear on the screen. Okay. The question will appear on the screen and you will get 4 options. Okay. Only 4 options. आपको पढ़ना है. You have to read it from the text. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. For everything there is a logo. For example, for first there may be a square. For second there may be a circle. For third there may be a rectangle of a single color. And you have to find it on your mobile. Okay. आपके मोबाइल पे 4 जो भी ऑप्शन है वो 4 ऑप्शन कलर्स में दिखेंगे. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट देम. सो शुड वी स्टार्ट? 27. Okay. So first, are you ready? Yes. According to Vagbhat, number of vipakas are. Press it on your mobile. यही है. This was sufficient time. 10 seconds was sufficient time. Okay. So ये थोड़ा पीछे ले सकते हैं? Can you take it back? ये सेकंड है. It's okay. Okay. See, appears a simple question, but adjusting with the technology is quite difficult. So try out. Second question. Okay. Before going for second question, so Manoj, who is Manoj? Manoj is topper, and then Savita, and then Priyanka. It all depends on many factors, huh? Ha, network also. Okay, next. See, I'm amazed. Speechless. No words. Okay, I'll not share this result with any of your students. Okay, now Nitin. Who is Nitin? Okay, cheer for Nitin. Ready? Very easy question, most easy question. आपका बंद हो गया. I'm very happy. Okay, ready? Fine. See, I have specifically kept timeline very crunchy. Otherwise, we can increase this timeline. It's upon us. What should be the question? What should be the time? We can place it 1 minute also. But to increase the intensity and to generate the interest, this is sufficient time for teachers, I think. Okay, let's go ahead. We have few more rounds, sir. Anything can happen. Still 6 questions are there. Wow. Great, very easy question. Nitin again leading. Okay. Are you ready? Still one wrong. Okay, at least 26 correct. Okay, still all one is there. See, this serves the purpose in a different way also. See, we cannot check every time that all students have received equal information and they can react. When we react fast, now it's concrete in our mind. And let him make errors in this test. But he will remember that everybody was correct, only I was wrong. This is a peer learning, indirect learning. Okay. Okay, just move ahead. So Nitin, I think, where is Manoj? Manoj has disappeared from the first five. Okay, Mayur, Jyoti and Anshraj. Who are Mayur, Jyoti and Anshraj? Okay, welcome to the Royal Club. Last two questions. Oh. Likewise, after the question, we can even revise. Can we recite Ajirnam Jakafat, Amam, Vishtabdam, Anilat Bhavet? Fine. We just can revise in class and then go ahead so that the other three will be concrete. हाँ मैंने खुद ही किया ना. It's not ready-made. Okay. So now the final. So who is in the podium? Group of podium. So Nitin with first point. Congrats Nitin. Second Reddy. Where is Reddy? And third Dr. Mayur. Congratulations. Get results. So these are first five. We have seen first three, Jyoti and Anshraj. Who Jyoti? Congrats, Anshraj. Great. Fine. Those who want, if it is 1-to-1, we can play again. We can even share it, creating a challenge. That means there is no one-to-one interaction is required. We can share it with a link and student can play there at their convenience, at their own time. The results will be same. Only thing is they can see both the things together, options and the option, they have to press option only. That's it. So created challenge is also possible. One-to-one interaction is also possible. It hardly takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I have shared 3 techniques. One was quiz of 10 marks. Second was perception. And third, this quiz, online quiz. Okay. Yes. That's why I'm sharing with you. The software is free. That means it has a cost, but for first few trials, for up to some students, it is free. So we can avail this offer. This is a free version. Okay, this is an online free version. We just go to this site, Kahoot, then create your account or log in with Google account and create your questionnaire and share with your students. Likewise, I shared with you. Ask them to log in. You will get a pin here. Ask them to enter the pin. No need of link also. Okay. Ma'am also asked the same. Can we add our own question? These are my questions. The questions are pretty simple. Why? This is not again a test. This is just to inform you how we can conduct the tests. Okay? And we can even save the results, download the results. So we'll have a full list who has participated and what are the marks. In the class, we ask students to join with their roll numbers. Instead of name, with the roll numbers, so we can just download or print out this and keep a list for our records. Okay, this was the progress. We can conduct it with type form also. It's a mobile Android version. It's an app type form. You just share the link and you'll get the responses. But this is most interactive. One thing I missed today was a background music. It has a beautiful background music like a quiz show, but it was not working. Okay, so I couldn't let you hear the background music. Fine, otherwise do give a try and do use this. I think there are many things that I can share with you and many online facilities or resources I can share with you. But it's time as our next guest is here. So I'm signing off. Thank you. At the onset, I would like to thank Alya ma'am and Anand sir for inviting me for this session. And hello, excuse me. Thank you all for your enthusiastic participation. Thank you.